Now, I know I talk about everything business on my channel, but I have never actually discussed like the business side of becoming an influencer. I mean, I might not be your average content creator, your average influencer, but do I know a thing or two about the business side of influencing? Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's topic is a juicy one. We're going to be talking about the business of becoming an influencer. What goes on behind the scenes of your favorite influencers? Businesses. What do they have? What is their team like? Do they have management? You know, how's everything set up? How do they work online? How do they make money? I'm going to be sharing all of that in this video. Now, every influencer's greatest fear is to lose an entire platform that is built from scratch. Now, you as an influencer, how do you protect your image online? How do you tell people that, look, I am somebody you can work with. I have a presentable background. I have things and have set things in place for you to ensure that the work I do for you is protected. The first way is for you to register your business. If you are an influencer out there, you need to make sure that you are protected by the law with your business. I know it's online. You're like, I don't need to do that, but yeah, you do. As long as you're generating income from content creating or being an influencer, you have to register your business to make sure that you're paying taxes and to also make sure that people cannot come and steal your business one day. Now, I already have a video of how to register your business. I'm gonna link it up here for you to catch up on. But if you are abroad in the US and you want to register your business, this section of the video is being sponsored by Taylor Brand. Taylor Brand is a go-to platform that enables every business owner and every entrepreneur to just get that business going. Taylor Brands gives everything your business needs from start to finish. You can start in 3 easy steps. Go to www.taylorbrands.com, answer a few short questions about your business, and just let Taylor Brands do the rest for you. Now, for US residents, if you want to register your business, Taylor Brands already has an LLC platform that helps you register your business from their platform. Like, how cool is that? Imagine helping you buy your domain, get everything set up, and then you can still register your business or your services on Taylor Brand. All you have to do is sign up and let them do the rest for you. Now, what are the benefits of registering your business with Taylor Brands? Having it will affect how much you pay in taxes and how much liability you incur for your business. It also saves you the time, energy, the stress of having to go and actually register your business in a government building when you can do it from the comfort of your home. So it is giving you that air of professionalism while ensuring that your business is up and running with the right tools. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, why do you need to register your business? We need to show our clients the level of professionalism we're trying to portray in the work that we do. And how do we do that? By giving them that professional look or professional outline when sharing your profile or your portfolio with them. You get to open a business mail account, you get to buy your domain, you get to do so much stuff for your business right from your computer. Like, how easy is that? Now, after registering your business, this trickles down into buying the domain. When I bought my first domain, I felt like I needed to take my business to the next level. And how do you now show people that you look professional? Creating a domain was the very first thing I needed to do. Now, Taylor Brand offers that service for you. It gives you the search and the find option for any domain you can think of. As long as it's available, Taylor Brand has got your back. All you have to do is go on your search tab and check for the domain that you want, ensure that it is available, and then go ahead and buy it. It's so simple, right? The very next step I wanted to do right after buying a domain was to create a logo for my company. Whenever I'm sending invoices or I'm trying to make sure that clients see my company as professional, I needed a logo. Taylor Brand provides that option for you. You can go on their website and check out the logo option just to make sure that you're choosing a logo that represents your brand as is. Now, another thing to present your brand professionally is to create business cards. Imagine going for a meeting and people ask you questions about your brand and you're promoting it, and okay, yeah, I like this brand. Can I get your card to follow up on this conversation? And you don't have a business card. Taylor Brand's got you as well. They also have a product where you can create your own digital business card. Like you can actually just share your digital card from one device to the other. That's like just like saving the planet from all the paper cards that you ever want to create, and making sure that your digital card is getting to the right clients. Like how easy is that? Like Taylor Brands has made this so freaking easy for you to just pass across your contact details very fast. Another way for you to present your brand professionally is selling merch. I know it sounds bizarre, but if you are a proper influencer, a lot of your fans are looking for products that you can sell. Do you know that you can create your own merch line on Taylor Brand? That's so freaking cool. Like I can actually just sit here and have my own merch from the comfort of my home. All you have to do is just go on their website. It has an array of different options of the type of merch, from caps to t-shirts, just anything you want to think about that you want to sell that you know that your fans are going to die for. Now, would you believe that once you've registered your company, bought your domain, gotten your LLC, gotten your digital business card, and gotten your merch, you can literally get your business going, especially if you're an influencer. Now, you know me, and you know for a fact that anything that brings a business owner the comfort of starting it from their home is my go-to gal. Taylor Brands has that option for you, so why not try them out? I already have a special code for you guys that want discounts on them. I'm gonna leave it here with the screen so you can check them out. So once you've tried it out and you have amazing reviews for it, just leave a comment down below, let me know what you think, or send me an email, and let's just get this business going and making this moolah. Now, the second thing for you to do as an influencer is to keep track of your expenses, and let me tell you why. Now, when I first started out, I was going insane with paying for platforms, like all the paid platforms that was helping me start my YouTube channel. I paid for it and I was spending money and I wasn't keeping account of it. I know it is a very bad thing to do, but I went through this and I lost a lot of money because I couldn't keep track of it. So the one thing you need to do when starting out is to make sure that you have a software or a platform that ensures that you have kept track of everything that you need to do for your business. Make sure it's in a spreadsheet, it's in a tablet, it's in a platform, something, just to make sure that you know what you're paying for and how much you're spending, so that you're not losing money as quick as you're making it. And the third point is to hire the best team. I know it sounds crazy. A lot of influencers feel like the moment you hire a team, it means you're going to be paying salaries, you're going to have a lot of headache on your head. I know. I'm one of them that thinks that way. But you need a team, a functional team that will assist you in crushing your goals. A team such as management. You need a management team that will help you negotiate contracts, that would help you look for opportunities, more opportunities for you to work with great brands, fantastic multinational brands, just to make sure that your business or your platform is going up. There's also the need for a personal assistant, someone that would help you with the day-to-day running of your brand, or make sure they're responding to messages, helping out with your photo shoots, helping out with your setup, everything you need to do to make your life easy as a content creator or as an influencer. These are your people that you need to use. And then your social media manager. I know everyone doesn't want to feel like they're going to be responding to DMs or brand partnerships or anything that has to do with social media. They just want to come on there, post, make their money, and bounce. I know social media does get a bit overwhelming sometimes, and I know I'm guilty of this. I take special breaks just to have a little bit of sanity, especially with everything that goes on with my life. But having a social media manager just solves that problem for you. They help you curate content for your page. They help you schedule posts, post them, keep track of your insights when you're posting content, making sure that whatever you're posting is getting traction from the right audience, and that your following on social media is growing. I'm very sure that if I had a social media manager for my YouTube channel, they'd be like, girl, you don't post that much. I know, and I'm guilty of this. But a social media manager helps you utilize the task on every single thing you need to do when it comes to creating content on social media. Whew, I know it feels like I've been talking for so long, but I just needed to highlight this point. And the major fact is, for you to understand the business side of being an influencer, for you to actually think about what does it entail to become an influencer and still make money, these things need to be in place. Well guys, I hope I have given you a little bit of insight on what actually goes on the business side of being an influencer. If you actually want more content on this topic, let me know. I mean, this is the very first time I'm talking about this, so just let me know, and you know, I would create more content on the business side of most of the popular industries. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.